guys, it's me. And we're gonna play, we just played sound effects with Chuck, now it's gonna be me. He's doing the sound effects and/or dubbing for me. So, yeah, what's the scene? I gave Chuck Bouncy Castle Attendant. So what's mine? Ball pit Attendant?
You run a cigarette shack.
Okay, I've run the Ciggy shack.
Yeah. Whenever you're ready, take it away. Yeah, rub that. One, two, that's right. Five. Lift my cigarettes and start them all. Giving people lung cancer. Damn dogs. There's a dog in a Ciggy shack. The shit I do when I'm bored. Yeah, my torch just caught on fire. Oh, it's not working. It's not working. Oh, it's empty. Yeah. Well, I could always sell this place for the insurance. And see.